Check the Output Report function in Optimize Data. After data calculation is completed, the result report will be automatically output. If you didn't check the function in Optimize Data, you can still generate a report independently. Click the Generate Report button and wait for the progress to complete. Click the View Report function to see the detailed content of the report. The result report includes several main parts. Current task parameters include original data information, calculation parameter information, and current computer configuration information. Data accuracy overview. Explanation of data accuracy. Interframe matching error refers to the error between the point cloud and the actual shape of the object. Trajectory relative error refers to loop closure quality. Green indicates good quality, and red indicates poor quality. GNSS quality, RTK signal quality. The RTK data signal quality is mainly evaluated based on the number of satellites and the HDOP value. Number of satellites. The more satellites there are, the better the data quality. HDOP horizontal dilution of precision. The smaller the HDOP value, the better the quality. GNSS quality rendering effect. Red indicates that the SLAM algorithm does not use GNSS. Blue indicates that the SLAM algorithm uses GNSS. Click the Export PDF function to export the report as a PDF file. TGAC report. The current screen shows the distribution of control points. Red points represent correction points, and blue points represent checkpoints. At the same time, you can also see the error distribution between the control points and the trajectory.